I loved it, and I really didn't want to reach the end so quickly. So it was, boy, Maggie, I can't thank you enough for putting this together. It was so worth every penny.
That's why I built the Chief of Staff certification course, is because I got finished building out my role as a Chief of Staff, building 7, 8 roles under me as Chiefs of Staff, and I realized that there's hundreds, thousands of project management certifications out there and literally nothing for Chiefs of Staff. Nowhere that you could go get hands-on practice doing the things Chiefs of Staff do every day, build competence, all that.
If the Chief of Staff role is administrative or strategic. So let's get into it. My name's Maggie Olson. I am the owner and founder of Nova Chief of Staff.
Hear about a pivotal moment in your career, kind of that dotted line led you to where you are now.
My journey's been pretty interesting, kind of working up slowly to the CEO role.